Why is there a basket on the sidewalk? Oh, there is a tiny baby in here. Wait! The car is leaving the baby behind! Please stop! You forgot your little baby! Do not cry. I am here with you. It is too cold for a small baby. I must find a warm place for him.
Yeah.
We do not allow babies in the shop, Nina.
I found him alone on the street corner.
He looks like a very rich and fancy baby.
I saved my money for a new coat. Nina, please stop crying. I'll find something for you. He needs some warm milk right now, sir.
Everything in this shop costs money, young girl.
I cannot let him stay hungry and cold. Please give me the milk for the baby.
You are giving your only coin for him?
Drink the milk. You will feel better soon. There you go, little Toby. Drink it all up, sweet boy.
Cuckoo.
You are a very good and sweet boy.
Where is my baby? I forgot the basket. Why are you holding my baby, you girl?
I was only trying to help him, ma'am.
You are trying to take him away. A poor girl like you should not touch him.
He was crying, and he was very hungry.
She used her own money for that milk.
I am calling the police to help me.
I did not do anything wrong to him.
What is the problem in this bread shop?
This girl took my baby from the sidewalk.
Is this true?
The car drove away and left him alone.
Where did you get that warm milk, Nina?
I just wanted him to be happy.
She gave me her only gold coin for milk.
Her only gold coin? Why would she do that?
You do not even have a warm coat, Nina.
The baby needed the milk more than I did. Goo, goo. Hello there, little one.
He seems to like you very much, Nina.
Leaving a baby alone is very dangerous, ma'am.
I was so busy. I am a bad mother.
You are not bad. You just forgot him.
You are so small, but you are so brave.
This is a story of a real hero.
I am just glad he is safe now.
I will never forget you again, my baby. I want to give your gold coin back.
A gift is not a gift if I take money.
She does not want any money for her help.
She is a very special kind of person.
Dada. Dada.
He is so funny and so very cute.
Please, let me take you to your home, Nina.
The world needs more people like you, Nina.
Thank you, Officer Kent. It means a lot.
I lived there with my very old grandmother. Grandma, I am home with some new friends.
Nina, who are these people at our door? Your granddaughter is the kindest girl in the city.
Nina saved this baby today with her love.
She always thinks of others before herself, ma'am. It is very cold in here for you two.
Look at how fast he can move his arms.
I want to help them have a better life.
That would be a very good thing to do.
I need a big truck and a new heater.
Why do you need a big truck, ma'am?
You gave your heart, so I will give mine.
This is a day we will always remember.
Look at all the boxes coming inside, Grandma.
Try this on. It is warm and very soft.
I feel like a princess in this new coat.
These are for you and for your sweet grandma.
Our home is finally warm and very safe now.
Toby wanted to see his favorite friend today.
Nina.
You look very happy today, little Toby.
This is for the bravest girl in our city.
Is this really for me?
You are much more than just Nina to us. Open this one. It is a special surprise.
My gold coin. You found it at the shop?
I bought it back from the bread shop owner.
I learned that kindness is better than money.
You taught me how to be a better person.
Good night, everyone. Stay safe and stay very kind.
Good night, Officer Kent. Thank you for everything today. Today was a very beautiful and magical day.
Come in. We were waiting for you, Nina.
Gift. 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 Oh, for me. Thank you, Toby. We will be friends for a long, long time. I gave my only gold coin for milk, and I found a family.